Alexa, turn on the lights. I'm a guy who prefers automation. I use the Echo Dot every day, and I'm pretty sure you guys use Google Assistant as well. So if there's something that can be automated, why do it manually? So for the past few days, I have been wondering how can I automate the lights in my home or any other appliances for that matter. Sure, we can always use the switchboard, but it's 2018 guys. Elon Musk is sending his roadster to Mars. The least we can do is automate our appliances. So what options do we have? Well, initially I thought about getting Philips Hue lights, but those are not only too expensive, but also not bright enough. So Philips Hue. Nonetheless, I did come across a smart plug from TP-Link. Now, it's not a fancy revolutionary product, but after using it for a couple of weeks, I believe it deserves more awareness. So let's see why. Out of the box, you get a smart plug in the package. First impression. Although it's a European plug, but not all your plugs would necessarily fit into the dock. So it's better to get a converter, I would say. We got one ourselves, so we are good to go. The setup is pretty simple. You turn on the smart plug and connect it to your phone using the Wi-Fi. Pretty much a standard process for all the smart home devices. If you guys are wondering, no, you don't need an extra hub to work with it like you have to do with Philips Hue. And once connected to your Wi-Fi, you can directly control it with your phone using the voice assistant. So let's check it out. Insert the night lamp and you can control it from your phone using the TP-Link Casa app. It even works remotely over the internet. If you have an Amazon Echo device, which you should have by the way, though it's a topic for different video, you can easily control it with your voice. Alexa, turn off the lights.
Okay.
Or even use the Google Voice Assistant command without even opening the Casa app, which comes in handy when you wake up from the bed.
There you go, turning on the bedroom lights.
Automation at its best. Though if you wish to control your regular house lighting with TP-Link, you will have to first open the switchboard and connect the wiring of your lights to the socket switch. This is exactly what we needed to do, so we called an electrician to do it. And this is where it beats the Philips Hue light or any other smart light solution. You can connect it with pretty much any existing light at your home, unlike Philips Hue, and that's it. I agree, the setup may look a bit out of the place, but it saved me a lot of energy in long run. And it's not just for the lights, you can pretty much control any other devices in your house, like you can microwave food before you reach home or even turn on your AC directly from your car. Overall, like I said in the beginning, it's not a fancy revolutionary product that will make you go wow. However, only when you start using it, you will experience the comfort it brings to your life. So yeah, go ahead and start automating your life and let me know what you did in the comment section below. And yes, if you want us to cover Amazon Echo Dot, then also let us know in the comments. So it's all for now, it's Minal signing off, I will see you in the next one.